Is Dubai's real estate market a bubble? I mean, we get to hear this everywhere. It's just a bubble, it can burst anytime, prices will fall down. Now, waiting, the prices from 800,000 dirhams is all the way up to 1.1, 1.2 million dirhams. Insane, right? Now, if I tell you an area like our Dubai Hills, where in 2016, the price of one bedroom was about 1 million. Today, the same one bedroom is going for almost 2 million. And this I'm talking to you based on the 2016 record. Are you still waiting for these prices to fall down and then you'll buy a property? Waiting, the prices have shot right up. So what's going on? Is Dubai's market really heading for a crash? Or are we just witnessing the next stage of growth? Let's find out. So what is actually real estate bubble? It's when prices get inflated way beyond their actual prices. Think of it like a balloon. It keeps getting bigger and bigger, filled with speculation, easy loan, investors hopping in. And what happens eventually? It pops and the prices drop. Now, a classic example for this would be the 2008 financial crisis. But is that what is happening now in Dubai? Now, let's look at how Dubai's real estate market played throughout the years. Now let's take 2002 to 2008. Freehold laws came in, investors keep buying, and eventually these prices shot up. Then from 2008 to 2009, the financial crisis arose and everything came crashing down. Then from 2011 to 2014, after the crisis, Dubai started bouncing back. The Expo 2020 bid created a lot of optimism and the prices started coming up. Then from 2015 to 2019, things started slowing down. Too much supply and a lot of global uncertainty that kept prices from shooting up. Then 2020 to 2025, COVID hit. But Dubai came out strong. More than double of the international buyers came and bought their properties here in Dubai. International buyers came in, the prices started shooting up. So are we in this bubble territory now? Let's dive in. Now here's a quick look at the numbers because I don't want to keep you in that bubble shell to make you more comfortable. As per UBS Global Real Estate Bubble Index, last year as per the report, Dubai was at low risk. And today, that is this year, it is in the moderate risk with a score of 0.64. That's a far cry from cities like Tokyo, Hong Kong. These cities are at a higher bubble risk. So it's not like Dubai is in the danger zone. I mean, see, there are other things that we have to consider. Population that will be coming in and so much demand will be created for a place like Dubai. Not only population, the prices also. Now, just so you know, this is what you get in 4 million in Dubai and this is what you get for 4 million in Tokyo. So why is Dubai seeing such a jump in the market? There are various factors for it. Number one, government policies. I mean, Dubai government has come with such smart policies to hold on to this real estate market. Now, when I talk about these policies, they are so attractive for the investors, offering tax-free incentives and creating long-term growth plan like the 2040 master plan that they have planned. Number two, global appeal. People from all around the world see Dubai as a safe investment space. Great lifestyle, tax-free environment, tax-free income, and a high growth rate potential. Number three, housing shortage. Even with all the new developments, demand is still high, especially in this high-end areas like Dubai Hills and downtown. It's not like surplus of home is just sitting there. And here's the most important part. Who is buying in Dubai? You've got a mix of local buyers, international buyers, and expats all getting into action. And there's this thing where people see an undervalued area, they invest. We all know as per the plan, that area will be developed and the prices will eventually shoot up. So they gain the maximum appreciation out of it. Just like Dubai Hills, which went from 1 million right now to 2 million. People jumped in early and got that long-term growth. And that's the strategy that many of them use. So to answer your question, is Dubai market really set for a crash? No one knows because the future is unpredictable. But looking at the facts and figures and the strategies that Dubai is implementing and how it backed up after the pandemic, it doesn't seem like the market is heading for a crash yet. In fact, it's stronger than ever. So if you're thinking about buying or investing, the market still looks like a solid bet. Bottom line, like every development has its risk, Dubai's real estate market is looking towards a little more stability. The demand is high, the city's infrastructure is solid, and the government policies are in place for strong growth. So is there a bubble? Probably not, at least not in the way that the people expect. So this was all about the real estate bubble, the crash that is coming through. This is all in all about what Dubai has planned. I mean, it comes down to that endpoint where Dubai has already planned their vision in advance. So they are ready for what's going to come. So this was all about this video. Now, if you want to know about Dubai's market, want more information on it, and if you're interested to invest, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.